It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you would do.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. Okay, if y'all can see me over here dancing. So welcome back to Itz Sirap, y'all. Today is Thursday, and my intentions was to drop my collab video, but some things came up with one of the beautiful ladies that is involved in the collab, and we had to get that handled. Okay, so her and her baby are well, and the collab will continue on Saturday. Okay, so that video will post on Saturday. So today is Thursday, y'all, and I'm about to try to film this video and put it out on Thursday. So we're gonna see if that is possible. Okay, if I drop this video on Thursday, I need y'all to give me a thumbs up in the chat. Okay, so I'm gonna film this bad boy, edit it, and put it out today. Okay, so let's see if we can do it. All right, so as you can see laying here, I have this beautiful box. Okay, so y'all know how I am. I love me a good silicone hand. Okay, as you can tell by the trillion, million, thousand videos that I have in my silicone hand playlist. Okay, I love to buy them, I love to try them out, I love to tell y'all how they work. Okay, so I got a new one. All right, now this one is a little different. Okay, so this is the box. I'll let y'all get into this box a little bit. The box is nice. So when I open it up, boom. Okay, so what we have is kind of like a combination of the mechanical hand and a silicone hand. Okay, you know, the little mechanical hand with the little joints and everything. We got a combination of that with the silicone hand. Okay, so we have these little removable tips that we can work on, and we have our hand. All right, so I was really excited to try this. They said that it has like some new technology. They're calling it the Trapezoid technology, I believe. So we're gonna see if she doing what she needs to do. Okay, so I did order this from Amazon, and I will have the Amazon link in the description bar. Okay, so I'm going to take it out of the box. So this is my unboxing, my first impression, all of that good stuff. Okay, so they have it in the plastic, which is nice. Okay, and this is how she is looking. Okay, she's not giving, you know, the realistic silicone where we get the, you know, dang near fingerprints and all that. She's not giving all of that. Okay, but she's also not giving, you know, robots either. Okay, so she does have like these little dots here. Okay, and she has the area where you slide the tip in, but she looks a lot better. Okay, let me show you the old school. This bad boy. Okay, she look a lot better than this. Okay, a lot better. Okay, so it's basically that same concept where we can take these tips and just, you know, pop them in, pop them out, all of that good stuff. But unlike the other hand that I just showed you, those have a bad reputation of just popping out, flying all over the room. Okay, with this new trapezoid technology, okay, it is supposed to not do all that. So we're gonna see. We're gonna put some gel polish on here, and we're gonna drill it. Okay, because that's the ultimate test, when you put that drill on it. Okay, So I'm trying my hardest to open this, okay? So this one that I got and the one that I'm going to link in the description came with the white tips and the clear tips, okay? If you're only interested in the white tips, I'll link that one as well, okay? I wanted both of them because y'all know I be wanting to do some other kind of stuff, okay? So this is the little trapezoid technology piece, okay? So the idea is that if I slide this in here, because of that trapezoid technology, it should not pop out, okay? As you can see, I'm pressing on it and she not moving, okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use some of the white tips to put on here. And let's look at the sizes. All of these look like they are the same size. Yes, they all look the same size, okay? So we just gonna slide them on in. And it gets a little snug. It feel like you can kind of feel it, like it's like she not about to come out. Okay. I wish they had like some bigger ones for the thumb, but that is all right, okay? This seems like it'll be great if you're trying to practice like maybe a design. If you are only interested in polishing and all that kind of stuff, I think this will be great for that because they are all the same size. As far as with the acrylic laying, what I want to try to see if I can file one of them like skinnier and make that my pinky nail. You know, y'all know how I like to experiment and do stuff, but I'm not doing all that on this video. I ain't trying to mess nothing up just yet, okay? I want to try how they have made it to work first before I go and start doing the most, okay? So with this part, you have to twist this to open it up, and then you want to put it on your table, so the table will go in between here, and then you will twist it in the opposite direction to make this close tightly. So I'm going to do that on my table here. Okay, and let me let y'all see what I'm doing. Over here you can see all of the hands. Say hey, hey y'all. It's all my little hands over there. So I got this right here and I'm just gonna twist it so that it can tighten up, okay? And she feel like she on that, all right? So let's bend her a little better than this. So depending on your workspace, you can kind of play around with this, but I have it kind of bent like this, and trying to get her situated, okay? So this is where she at right now, all right? So let's pull out some nail polish. I'm going to use a gel nail polish, and I'm going to go in with this silver from Bellavina. And we really ain't got to do all of them. Okay, so I'm going to cure that with my Melody Susie lamp. So I'm going to go in with the top coat just because, you know, this is what I would do And now I'm going to cure that. All right, so that silver glitter and the top coat has been cured. Now we're going to pull out our e-file, and I'm going to use my Melody Susie cordless rechargeable. So I'm going to use this drill bit here. Going to turn her on. If you have this particular drill, I'm going to put it on 1 first. Try that out. Then I'm going to go to 2, and then I'm going to go to 3. I'm going to put my goggles on so we can be safe. All right, and I'm going to start on the pinky at the speed of 1, okay? And the speed of 1 is not really doing much. That is the level that I use this drill on for the natural nail. So let me bump it up to 2. As you can see, this little piece is in here, y'all. She ain't budging, okay? So I'm going to go to 3 now. Uh-oh, she's sliding out a little bit. Now this is on the highest speed. Okay, so what I noticed from my little test, okay, and let's bring the other hand out. With this hand right here, if you press on the nail like this, it's gonna pop out. Okay, I don't know if y'all saw that. Let me try that again. See, without much pressure, if I put pressure here, it just comes out, okay? So with this new hand, if I put pressure here, they don't come out because of that trapezoid technology, okay? It slides in, and it's like a tiny space here, and the bigger part is up under that space, so that when you press down on it, it's not going to pop out. So that's a plus. That's a huge, great thing. So the ways to get these to come out is if you pull them out like that, okay? And for me, when I was using the e-file and I was up here toward the cuticle area on this nail, and I was kind of dragging it, I'm guessing the teeth of the drill was kind of getting in there and dragging it. It was kind of sliding a little bit, okay? So that's one thing to look out for, okay? Just by pressing down on it, it's not going to come out, which is a huge plus. But if you a heavy-handed person like me, and you coming in with that drill and you just like, you know what I'm saying? You might get a little slidage, okay? So with the hand file, let's use the hand file now. So this is a 80/80 grit file from Afro Glam Nails. I do like how you can bend the fingers. I'm loving that. So you can just bend them out of the way so you can work on the one that you need to work on. I'm loving that. Ooh. came out. So this is what I'm talking about, y'all. Can y'all see that? How it's like smaller here and bigger at the bottom to stop it from popping out. So what I'm seeing, okay, I have drilled it and I have hand filed it, right? And what it is giving me, okay, this hand right here, when I use this hand, when I e-file and when I hand file it, this slides out a little bit and I have to push it back, okay? It doesn't necessarily fly out and fly all over the room, which is what happens with the kind of mechanical hand. So I feel like it's giving me silicone hand, okay? The same way we slide these in here, and when I file this one with the hand file, sometimes it slides down, okay? So that's what it's giving me, honestly. I feel like it's a lot better than the mechanical version. It's kind of like a happy medium between the mechanical hand that you hook on the table and the silicone hand that you slide the tips in, okay? So the site that I got these from, they said that they're going to start carrying the replacement tips separately soon. So if you go grab this hand and you want to grab some more, I definitely want more of the clear tips so that I can cut them down and then add another tip onto it to do my nails like that. So that's what you're gonna see me do on Saturday, possibly, okay? I may use this hand on Saturday, or I may save it for like another design. I do have the Saturday collab video coming up, and I have my Sunday live. For the Sunday live, I'm going to be doing a set of Black History Month nails. So definitely put in the comments some things that you want me to include in that set of nails, okay? So that was my review of this hand. I like the hand. I can't wait to really do a full set on it. I am heavy-handed, y'all, so for you may not have any problems, okay? But look, even if I pull on it like this, it's not coming out, okay? And if I did that on that other hand, oh, it would have been out, okay? So it does have a lot more security, all right? But if you pull on it, it's designed to come out that way. So when you're doing those downward motions with your e-file and with your hand file, it's a possibility that it can slide that way, just like with any other silicone hand, okay? So I hope that helped you. I love when a new hand comes out on the market because I love trying new things and I love kind of giving y'all the tea about it. So let me know what y'all think about this hand in the comments. Let me know if you're going to go grab it, okay? And if you do grab it, I do have a link to it in the description bar. I have my Amazon affiliate link, so please use my link. Help me out by using that referral link. I don't get any of your money, okay? I just get a little percent because like a little something, a little change, you know, just because you use my link to purchase it, okay? So thank you all so much for watching this video. I cannot wait to play with this hand some more, and y'all know I will show y'all every bit of it, okay? Always remember to keep God first, family second, and everything else will get in line. And guess what time it is? It's a wrap. I will see y'all in the next video.
It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey, it's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.